If you're a developer looking to integrate payments into your software, you know the long journey to get from idea to implementation when using payment APIs. Instead of spending several months trekking through code and navigating obstacles to achieve PCI compliance, PayJunction has forged a new path that shortens your journey from months to minutes. By eliminating the need to write code, PayJunction removes those burdens from your roadmap, so you can focus on other things, like building new proprietary features. It's like finding a shortcut and a hoverboard to reach your goal faster and easier. The process is split into two simple parts. First, you map the transaction details from your software into PayJunction's extension for payment processing. Then, you automate the extension to send details back into your software after the transaction is approved. To start step 1, launch PayJunction's Chrome extension in your browser and open any SaaS application to add the integration. From here, you can create pathways that link transaction details from your software to PayJunction's extension for secure payment processing. Just click on a field's target button in the extension, then click on the corresponding field in your software. The extension can also pull data directly from that page's URL. So, if your customer's IDs are stored there, just find the matching field in the extension, choose URL from the drop-down menu, and select the value you want to link it to. If you need more flexibility in how the data is linked, PayJunction's filters have you covered. Let's say your software displays the customer's full name in one single field, but the first and last names need to be collected separately for a transaction. After linking the full name from your software's page to the first name field in the extension, just add a filter and a regular expression to only collect the first name. After choosing which transaction details you want to send to PayJunction for payment processing, they are ready to be saved. And just like that, PayJunction has written the code, creating a pathway for future transaction details to flow into the extension for payment processing. Now, in step 2, you will send those details back to your software after the transaction is approved. This part is a bit like combining building blocks, where each one represents a task that you program it to do. You can use these to automate things like selecting options from drop-down menus in your software, inputting the amount from a transaction into a field on your software's page, or entering specific text into a Notes section in your software. After designing your automation, you can run a preview to make sure it works as you intended. When you are happy with the results, just save it and boom, you have officially integrated payments into your software. Now that the integration is set up, let's see it in action. Click Smart Terminal in the extension to collect the payment. The amount will be sent from your software to the terminal, where the customer can pay with their card or device. After the transaction is approved, PayJunction securely stores the payment details in the cloud, while the non-sensitive information is sent back to your software. Now you can email a receipt and complete the transaction. In addition to the terminal, you can use the extension to manually key in transactions for phone orders, email an invoice to your customer where they can pay with a secure link, charge a card on file for repeat customers, or set up recurring transactions. In this short video, we finished what would have been months of manual work. So instead of filling your roadmap with integration tasks, simply get started with PayJunction. Visit payjunction.com or call 800-601-0230 to get started.